Hello everyone, welcome at the heart of Audi. I hope you enjoyed your day at our production site here in Ingolstadt. Today is a very special day for me. Finally, it's reveal day of the Q6 e-tron. Before we move on with the Q6 e-tron, you might have spotted another special car outside on your arrival. Our RS-Q e-tron, one of the winner cars of this year's Dakar Rally. Winning Dakar with an electric drivetrain is a great success with two dimensions. First, it adds to Audi's great tradition being a pioneer in motorsports. Think of winning Le Mans with a hybrid drivetrain. And second, it shows true teamwork. Teamwork in the preparation and development of the car and during the race under real extreme conditions. Teamwork is a good catchword. As you might know, I joined the Audi team last September. Since then, we have achieved a great deal already. With the board of management, we evaluated Audi's position in detail and set ourselves an agenda. This Audi agenda addresses product and technology, as well as our positioning of the brand, and has a focus on the key regions and markets, China and North America. It's a balanced mix of transformation and strategy program, and it has everything we need to bring Audi even more forward again. Regarding our products, one of my first priorities was the launch of the Q6 e-tron. A few years ago, in my previous role, I had the privilege to be part of the beginning of this project and of this car's journey. So now I'm really excited to see it being produced here and entering the streets soon. Of course, I did not miss the opportunity to test the car extensively myself, and I'm proud to present the Q6 e-tron today on behalf of the entire Audi team. With the Q6 e-tron, Audi is kicking off the next level of e-mobility. It's the first model built on the premium platform electric PPE, jointly developed by Audi and Porsche. It will enlarge our BEV offering in the premium SUV segment, and as you will learn in a moment, the content of the Q6 e-tron is quite impressive. It comes with two electric drivetrains and quattro. It has a range of more than 600 kilometers. We have better innovative battery and charging management with 800-volt technology and a completely new electronics architecture. The Q6 e-tron is the first Audi to offer a new panorama display, an augmented reality head-up display with a significantly larger field of view, and for the first time, a passenger display. This model is the starting point for a wide product initiative we are launching this year. Not only electric cars, but also the next generation of ICE cars. The fully electric Audi A6 e-tron, also produced here, will follow this summer. And we will launch the Audi A5 and Q5 as the first models on the new premium platform combustion. Having a new generation of highly efficient ICE cars while launching more and more electric cars will give us flexibility to react to customer needs during the next years. We will have an electric offering in all core segments by 2027. And our goal remains clear: a focused, fully electric portfolio. Now, back to today's world premiere. The production of the Q6 e-tron and our in-house battery assembly in Ingolstadt marks our start of e-mobility made at our headquarters. I'm really proud to present to you e-mobility for the first time directly from Ingolstadt. Ladies and gentlemen, the Q6 e-tron. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Audi Q6 e-tron with innovative technology, outstanding driving dynamics, and distinctive SUV design. This is the start of a whole new generation of all-electric Audi models. Our next big thing on our way towards a fully electric portfolio. The Q6 e-tron comes with impressive features, but the most impressive thing is the combination of all of these features in one car. Here's a brief insight into the highlights.
The Audi Q6 e-tron. It is the first series model based on the newly developed premium platform electric. This platform is the enabler for amazing design proportions. giving the Q6 e-tron an extremely characterful and dynamic appearance.
The premium platform electric is specifically engineered for electric vehicles, which means superb range, outstanding charging performance, and impressive efficiency, making the Q6 e-tron the best EV in its segment. With more than 620 kilometers, the Q6 e-tron Quattro is already the range champion in our portfolio, and there is even more to come. In just 21 minutes, you recharge the car from 10% to 80%. That means more than 250 kilometers of range in only 10 minutes. This is benchmark in its segment.
Aesthetics and technology come together. With the next generation of digital OLED lighting and the active digital light signature, a world premiere. More than ever, the Q6 e-tron is tailored to the customer's needs. The new electronic architecture creates an outstanding in-car experience. For the first time, a curved panoramic display is being used in an Audi, the so-called digital stage. This also includes the passenger display with an active privacy mode, a premiere at Audi and also a first in the segment. The new electronic architecture is the foundation for the next generation of infotainment, offering our customers improved Audi Connect services, over-the-air updates, and a store for third-party applications.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm absolutely convinced the Audi Q6 e-tron is the new reference for Vorsprung durch Technik.
Thank you. Fermin just mentioned it. The Q6 e-tron is the first Audi to come with our completely new end-to-end electronics architecture, connecting every function, hardware and software in one neural network. The technical benefits for the customers are enormous. Personal infotainment and connectivity will reach a new level. Charging is super fast. The 800-volt system allows for 270 kilowatt high-power charging, and the team put a lot of effort into the best possible driving experience you can get, combining great driving dynamics with comfort and safety. With all these technologies, we bring Vorsprung durch Technik to our customers, and the Q6 e-tron at the starting point for the next era of Vorsprung. Coming back to the start of the evening, if you take one thing home tonight, hopefully it is this: we are ready. Audi is ready, the team is ready, ready to bring iconic cars to our customers, ready to bring Vorsprung durch Technik to the next level. It all starts now with this car. And now you are invited to experience the Q6 e-tron firsthand. Enjoy your evening, and thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attending the world premiere of the all-new Audi Q6 e-tron. After the press photos with our board members, we invite you to take a closer look at the cars. Thank you.